I went from this. I went from this to this. It's not just about changing. Because when God is in your life, you glow up. When God is in your life, everything glows up. You don't just glow up, you shine. That's what God do.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is gloryuzuh and you're welcome to my channel. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. So today we'll be making passion twist, mini passion twist, and we'll be making use of the LUSH passion twist extension. So it comes in 4 different bundles, 15 each, so that's about 60.
Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you.
Okay, so for our cream, we'll be using Hair Wonder. We'll also be using Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner and of course our combs. As a fussy natural girly, I always partition my hair into 3. So we'll be starting from the back because I always like to start from the back when making my hair, when braiding my hair. So I just watch the whole process. Thank you. So for the last line, I made use of 1 full strand. So if you want, you can as well divide the strands, because that's what I did for the second to last line and upwards. So I divided the strand into 2. So it just mainly depends on how the size. Yes, it just mainly depends on the size that you want your twist to appear. Yeah, so this was how I divided the full strand into 2 while making the remaining braids now. Just make sure to use conditioner on the strands before dividing so it won't tangle. So I don't have a 360 mirror or someone to help me part my hair, so of course don't expect a very smooth parting at the back, but from the front is a lot easier because I can use my mirror to see that clearly. Another progress updates.
Just like this, what I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wanted it, I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel. So what you in a rush for? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same all day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That means no permission. No missionary getting boring, can you switch positions? Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen. No, no. I've been out, baby. Every reminiscing. Every other missing. You wish it was different.
Yes, so after a few hours, I'm here to tell you that it's done. It's done. So the hair is completed, and yes, I absolutely love it. It's so coily, and just so you know, it's so coily that you are going to spend minutes twisting just one strand, just so you know. But at the end of it all, it looks very beautiful. I love the extension, just like the name LUSH. It's so lush, just like the name. So this is what the back view looks like. I absolutely love this hair, to be very honest. I love how coily it is. It's so nice. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe, and you can also check my page for more hair content video if that's what interests you. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family, your friends, and someone you think this might interest. Bye, and I will see you guys in my next one. Ciao, God bless.
I wanna share my world.